Hello, fellow educators. My name is Miss Eisenstadt, and I teach Ceramics 1 and 2 at North Monterey County High School. And this year has been an astronomical year for professional growth, especially teaching a hands-on curriculum and modifying that to distance learning and hybrid learning. And I found some incredible tools that I wanted to share with you to help contribute educational resources to the profession and also enhance your knowledge of web-based platforms that I find extremely engaging. So one of the projects that I came up with via distance learning for my ceramics course was to have the students design a custom logo. And I put together a slide lecture that featured different logos that were iconic and some not so familiar. And we evaluated what made a good logo and also focused on a type of artwork called reduction art, which allows people to categorize something in seconds because it reduces the detail to bold shapes, lines, and colors, making it really easy for people to process. So with that said, the students took notes and then they went on to use a tool called Logo Maker. It's free. And they came up with a theme for the logo, and following came up with a statement supporting that logo, of which they used both puzzle pieces to integrate into their final project, a Google site. Focusing more specifically on Logo Maker, we looked at first the Santa Cruz artist Jim Phillips, who is known for the Santa Cruz Skateboards logo. And then following, we looked at some other iconic logos after going over the learning targets, such as Nike, FedEx, Exxon, Dole, McDonald's, Volkswagen, NASA, and so forth. And we really dove a little bit deeper into the idea of reducing detail and keeping things very clean so that they're appealing and visually stimulating. Then I taught the students, once they made a decision on what kind of logo theme they were going to keep their content aligned with, we used a free Logo Maker website. And logomaker.com, without an E, is a custom logo design tool. The beauty of it is that you can click on these videos to see an overview of how the site works, how to do very specific things like layer a logo with multiple layers, put specific outlines on things, change the opacity. So my logo was based around ceramics. So if you type in any subject or theme or a specific word into the search bar and hit enter, there will be a bunch of different ping file graphics aligned with that theme, topic, or word that you can choose from. So as I'm scrolling through here, this one really captures my attention. And it doesn't really need words because you can see that the artist is trimming a pot. I'm more familiar to those students who are artists or those individuals who have taken a ceramics class, but you can also add text to the logo. And I am adding text with the name of my business, Pure Bliss Pottery. I can also change the color and thinking in lines with complementary colors like orange and blue. This is well suited. And once I come up with something I'm happy with, I can crop the image to my liking by going to the crop tool. And this is all shown in the overview video when you're using this for the first time. And then I can save it in the upper right-hand corner. And it's going to ask me to pay some money. But when you actually scroll down, And it says, no thanks, download this low resolution file for free. And it downloads it right to my downloads folder. So just to show you how the students applied it to their website, the final project, I have a list of Google Site samples that the students created. And clicking on one, that was a multimedia website. And you can see the student's logo in the upper left on their Google site. And this is a skateboard. She was also into making art on her band shoes as well as in her bedroom. So she aligned those two themes of skating and art and put those all together on her website. So there is just a sample of how the logo is created and used in action. I hope you enjoyed viewing this tutorial and learning about this new technological platform that I find engaging for students and also a way to expand your teaching. All right.